Greetings and welcome back to the course. We covered the basics of hygiene, food types, and hazards in the last video, and today, we will discuss the roles and responsibilities of a food supervisor and food safety policies. So keep watching. So who exactly is a supervisor? Well, a supervisor has primary authority over several employees. In catering, the role is similar to that of a foreman, to make sure staff work professionally and correctly, and issue them with their tasks. You will be legally responsible for their actions, but you won't directly perform catering tasks. As a food safety supervisor, you will manage the overall food safety practices of a business and need to have an awareness of UK food legislation and standards, understand food safety principles, keep the food safety management system up to date, ensure food handlers work safely, be available to employees and management during reasonable hours, identify and prevent food safety hazards, ensure food handlers have good personal hygiene. Other tasks might include overseeing orders of equipment and supplies, staff welfare, preparing staff rotas and timetables, and managing workloads, cashing up, overseeing the preparation and serving an expected standard of food, overseeing cleaning and tidying of preparation and service areas, ensuring food regulations and health and safety laws are adhered to, stock-taking. As for supervisory roles, these are planning, supervision, scheduling, purchasing, inventory, and quality control. You might work in a kitchen, restaurant, cafe, school, hospital, canteen or hotel. You may also start as a waiter or cook and get promoted, which will enable you to have in-depth insight. Unsociable hours and fast-paced work are likely, and you may have to work on weekends, evenings and public holidays, sometimes for more than 40 hours per week. Each supervisor will develop or have their own supervisory style, but the following are perhaps the most helpful. Democratic or participative. You involve the staff in decisions, but make the final decisions yourself. People or relationship oriented. You are friendly in your dealings with staff and avoid confrontation. Transformational leadership. You are very visible and communicative, and often delegate tasks. Situational leadership. You are responsive to particular situations as they occur, while considering the levels of staff skill and experience. Now let's talk about food safety policies. Your catering business's standards are reliant on good food hygiene and must have working methods that maintain good food hygiene continuously. The Food Standards Agency, FSA, publishes the regulations that help your catering business match its legal obligations. The FSA S4Cs of food hygiene are a simple way of meeting your legal obligations. These are cleaning, cooking, chilling, and cross-contamination. The 4Cs prevent the most common food safety problems. For cleaning, the necessary steps involve disinfecting equipment, areas, and dealing with spillages immediately with cleaning products that meet BSEN standards. Also, don't let waste build up and use an efficient, custom-made cleaning schedule. For cooking, standards should include cooking meat until it is piping hot with pink or red meat left inside. Exceptions include steak, adherence to standard cooking temperatures and times, following proper hot holding procedures and reheating food just once until it is steaming inside. Chilling recommendations include to always chill food straight away. Frequently check your fridge's temperatures, keep them below 8 degrees centigrade, and keep food out of the chiller for no more than 4 hours. To avoid cross-contamination, always clean and disinfect work surfaces and equipment after use. Separate areas and equipment for raw and cooked food. Wash your hands thoroughly and frequently. Keep raw and cooked food separate. Store raw food below cooked food, if in the same fridge. Use separate cleaning material for raw and cooked food areas and equipment. Train staff to avoid cross-contamination. All staff and management must understand the business's food safety policy. As such, it is a collective responsibility to ensure that food is safe. Therefore, companies must incorporate the International Standard of a Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point (HACCP) system into their food safety practices. Quality assurance (QA) focuses on food production processes to ensure the best standards. Examples include process checklists, project audits, and reporting of customer complaints. It is a proactive way of improving standards and testing procedures and methods to ensure that mistakes and defects don't happen. Every employee must enforce QA. The FSA oversees QA schemes, while certificates are accredited by the United Kingdom Accreditation Service (UKAS). You cannot use a QA logo on your products until you meet FSA and UKAS standards. Quality control (QC) monitors and controls defects in products. Examples of QC include HACCP, ingredient specifications, and an approved supplier list. Your HACCP and food safety measures should ensure your legal standards of both QA and QC. This marks the end of this module. Do rewatch if you have any doubts, and see you in the next lesson.